I've taken my nose plate off here that fits onto the bike, which holds the front windscreen, as it's called. And I want to make sure I got a really good ground right here, because first of all, I've never had it off in 23 years, and who knows, things get old and corroded. And I have all of this grounding wires that fit up underneath here, and I want to make sure that I have a good ground. I just want to make sure I do the job right. And this video is also for Grant Mira, to show you a little bit more, if I can, how this works. This Fongier deal has a speedometer, has a light, which is a black and white, just positive, negative. You hook it up to your light switch up here somewhere. It also comes with this V-drive. Yes, it's a V-drive boat. No, it's not. It comes with V-clip that I just drilled a hole into the base unit, or into the head unit, which this whole thing is a head unit. And I got the thing to fit, the speedometer to fit. And the nice thing about it is I still have my fuel gauge that works, turn signals work, low oil works, even though I don't use oil anymore. The high beam works, and the lights to all the lights, which are, there's one here, right here, and there's one on the other side, which is right there, if you can see it. My hands are shot. I need to get some more surgery on them. And there's a turn signal relay, and then there's also a bunch of spaghetti bullshit that half this stuff I've forgotten what I've done to the bike, because every year or 2 years, probably every 2 years, I'll go and tear it down, add something, or I will put something on. I think it's cool. It doesn't quite work. This is the... You know, these rich people should not be passing over my house. Guys, just lucky I'm not ex-military and got a grudge. Fucking rich people. Oh, I got a private jet. Oh, I can go to Seattle in half an hour. Oh, I can come back in half an hour. Oh, isn't that nice? Yeah, fuck off, lady. You're still old and fat. Don't give a damn who you're married to. Alright, this piece had to be custom made, custom, how can I say, it was part of the throttle housing right here. I don't know if you can see the little rips, but I was able to put the throttle on upside down, which this part is the roller part. It should be on the top, I think, but you can't put it on the top because you need this right here. So I was able to, and I have some videos on this, I was able to do some work on this to get it to fit so that you can have a front brake and you can still also have your right hand mirror. And I believe I have some videos on that. But this is a stage 6 throttle, and I found out that this is an emergency kill switch. I find that when you hit a brick wall and you go over that brick wall into a 200-foot drop onto the rocks in front of the ocean, that's a good enough kill switch for me. But I always want to be dramatic. I want to go out the right way. I want to go out having some 19-year-old babe mistress going at it like I'm throttling a moped out in the woods, wee wee wee, and then having a redwood 400-foot redwood fall on both of us. Now that's the way to go out. Nah, just kidding, I'm old. I ain't dead yet. Alright, so I will continue on with the Operation DIO wiring. This was the other side of the what's called the Stage 6 package. I don't know if it came with that or not, I can't remember. But I hooked up both turn signals, and it's got a little tiny red button for who knows what, probably nitrous, if I get crazy enough to hook it up. And then it's got a little switch for something which is not hooked up. The whole bunch of these wires they're not hooked up, but there's all kinds of wires and you can do all kinds of things. And with this front panel here, I was able to, if you can see the very top right here, just this area held the stock turn switches. I cut it out just a little tiny bit bigger, and these switches fit right in it perfect. Next thing I have to do on this is my battery's going dead. Cheap ass cameras, I tell you. I'm going to sand this up and put bumper black on it. Or no, I mean truck bed, whatever it is. Okay.